Hey guys, I feel Elizabeth here and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, hold up, wait a minute, let me tell you something. Before you leave, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and smash that well, that's the same thing. Subscribe and leave a comment, okay? Les trois choses là. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment before you leave. If this video inspired you to check out these websites and see, you know, what you can get out of it, okay? And you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. I wanted to do a casual night, well, a casual date night because it's summertime, okay? Summertime. The weather is hot. The weather is hot. What? It's warm outside. People are like going out, especially during the nighttime. You see a lot of date nights. You see a lot of dinner outing with friends. You see a lot of movies, n'importe quoi. For me, you see a lot of Netflix and just in my bed eating a bunch of n'importe quoi, sandwiches, getting fat Oreos, you know, ice cream. That's me. But in this video, I wanted to give you guys some ideas on how you can dress for your date night or your outing with your friends, whatever one you prefer doing during the summer. And I came up with this nice casual outfits. I will leave the details to where you can purchase these outfits down below in the description bar. So don't forget to click that before you leave, okay? Okay. So outfit number one. Parce que je parle beaucoup. When I talk a lot, I jump off topic. So I'm just gonna jump right in, okay? On va continuer comme ça. Outfit number one, I came up with this outfit. It's called, hey, tu as essayé mais tu essayes pas, huh? You tried but you didn't try. You know, it's my Fashion Nova black jumpsuit, okay? Or is it romper? Jumpsuit. Fashion Nova jumpsuit. And I like this because I did wear this on my way to Paris and it was so comfortable. But there's pros and cons about this outfit. I don't like the fact that one is a jumpsuit. You have to undress yourself. Fully undress yourself to be able to use the bathroom. So that's un problème. C'est un problème. But it's cute. It's cute, right? Just look at the outfit. Like, y'all tell me if you don't like this outfit. Like, this outfit is cute. Like, girl, I did something with this outfit. And with the outfit, I don't like to, you know, show a lot when it comes to my body. I like to cover up. I added it with a nice flannel shirt or a long sleeve. N'importe quoi. Comment on dit ça en anglais? Flannel again? Flannel. Something like that. But the idea of this video is to help you guys put an outfit together. You can put this nice long sleeve flannel and add it on with a nice black romper or jumpsuit. For me, this is a jumpsuit. I'm told by my sister it's a jumpsuit. And with that, I got it and I paired it up with these nice shoes. Oh my gosh, these shoes are so adorable. They are adorable. I bought these shoes when I was in Paris. And I know you're probably like, Afi, you bought this when you were out the country. How am I going to purchase this at the store? Like I said before, you can find this in the description bar down below. Okay. These shoes are cute, right? Yeah, I'm very unique. I like my styles to be very unique, especially when I'm not a skin out person. I like my fashion to at least stick out. So with these shoes, they're like these ankle high tie around your ankle type of shoes, and I tied them up around my ankle just to bring out the outfit. You can also wear the outfit with some sneakers, up to you, or you can wear heels with it. It's up to you. I liked these wedges a lot better with them, and also like, girl, if you look at the shirt and you look at the shoes, it brings out the you can't tell me this ain't cute. Like, you cannot tell me this ain't cute, huh? Dis-moi quoi? On dit quoi, huh? On dit quoi? C'est mignon, no? Yeah, it's cute. You can't tell me this is not cute. This outfit was very comfortable for me because, one, I'm not the type of person to leave my skin out and just let it be out, you know, out in the opening like people like to do. I don't like to do that. I like to cover up. And for the summer, because it gets hot, but during the summertime, it does cool down. You don't want to wear a big old jacket. You want something that you can also breathe in and let the air in, and, you know, you can come home alive and not look like you were sweating bullets. My key when it comes to being simple is I like to add accessories. With that, I added some type of accessories. You can add necklace, you can add bracelets, you can add earrings, you can add rings. I'm pretty big when it comes to accessories, especially when it's like simple, because I'm very simple. if you add accessories or something that's very simple like that, it will bring out your outfit a lot better than what you expect. So yeah, for my first outfit, I did like this outfit. It was really cute, very simple. It's like, it's like you tried, but you didn't try. Okay? Okay? Okay. Outfit number 2. If you are one of those girls who like to wear dresses, I sometimes like dresses, sometimes I don't. I'm like an in-between type of girl. Outfit number 2, I decided to do this nice red dress that I got from Fashion Nova. Let me tell you guys a secret about Fashion Nova, okay? Y'all didn't hear this from me, okay? Vous avez pas écouté ça sur moi, okay? Je suis pas songi, nasa songi te mais. I'm gonna tell you guys a little secret that I realized about Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova has this thing where, Lord have mercy, hopefully you don't come for me when I say this. Fashion Nova has this thing where if you don't buy their outfit, they send you a message saying, hey, you left so and so in the cart. Do you want to check out? Here's a coupon code if you would like to purchase this whatever outfit you have in your shopping cart. They like to give out promos when it comes to, you know, customers not buying their outfits, okay? So sometimes I have this, I don't know where my mind comes, where these thoughts come from, and I get all my stuff and I put them in the cart and I exit out, and they send me a message and they send me like codes, coupon codes. C'est pas bien man. It helps if you don't have a lot in your bank account, you know. I don't have yams in my bank account. I have a bank account, but I don't have yams in my bank account. But yeah, I purchased this dress right here from Fashion Nova. But sometimes the dress rises up, and a way to prevent that is to get a bigger size. This size I purchased was, I guess, a medium, and it's a very, very like super, like it's a stretchy dress. If you are a small, you could purchase your actual size, but for me, I didn't want to look like I was sucked in, you know, because when you eat, if you are the type of girl that like to eat on dates, it's not gonna look good, especially if you big bone, okay? I'm a big bone girl. Like, I wouldn't say like I'm big, but I got some meat on me, okay? And if you were a small, I highly recommend you to at least go up a medium if you like to eat on dates. If you just like to talk like I do, you good, you good, okay? I paired it off with these nice, really cute shoes that I also got in Paris. I know. I'm killing y'all with the stuff that I got from Paris. Je peux pas laisser ça comme ça, huh? I will leave you guys the link to where I purchased these things, because they do have an online store. So I didn't go to Paris just thinking about me, okay? Okay, I want y'all to be ready too. I got these shoes that I paired up with the dress. These beautiful, 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 nice brown beige looking shoes. These shoes, you can wear them with just about anything. The dress you can wear with heels. But when I think about casual for me is more of a simple but not overdoing it type of outfit. And you can wear it casual with dressy outfits. And that dress, girl, you looking so dang cute. What'd you say? You say I look cute? Yes. Girl, yes, you look
Turn
around. Pow.
Ooh.
Almost full, girl.
Yes.
You said
I'm
what?
you in the future whenever you go on a date.
Said what? Oh,
Yeah.
that's me?
Yeah, you like it?
How that's gonna be
Really
me if
good
you...
on it. I don't know about this, but it's gonna be a little bit hot. I'm gonna stand in front of your car like this, like a jaguar.
Girl, say with me. She ready?
I'm gonna let you continue with your comment.
Okay.
Do your thing.
Okay.
Me.
Let me do
Get
my
it?
work.
Cause I'm
okay,
me.
Let me do my
I'm
work.
you.
Good?
In the future.
Okay.
Thank you.
So I got these shoes and I paired them up with the dress. I know I'm a little bit too much. With the outfit, like I said before, I don't like to show a lot of skin. So with that dress, I added up a nice baggy looking jean jacket that I got from Fashion Nova as well. I guess it came with a discount because I didn't check out right away. So they sent me a text message giving me a discount. And it's this beautiful baggy jacket. Now I know some people are like, it's too hot. It's too hot to wear a denim jacket. You gotta save yourself. You gotta come prepared when you go on dates. I've been on dates where like we walk into a freaking building and it's -0. Okay, so don't worry about the weather outside. Worry about where you're gonna be inside. And the key to every outfit is accessories. It doesn't matter how cute an outfit look like. You will not get people's attention until you add accessories to your outfit. I'm a very simple, plain person. Okay, I'm a plain person, but I'm not basic, but I'm very simple. So with me, all my outfits, you will notice that I have some type of accessories. Add either a jacket, bracelet, a watch, earrings, necklace. You could add rubber bands. Shoot, add a hair tie to your wrist. If you just add accessories to your outfits, bam, you look good. You look good. You gonna thank me later. So for my next outfit, I wanted to like add a little something to it, okay? So I added this nice, you know, secretary skirt, okay? A nice classy, here I am. She ready for the job. She's ready for a relationship. Who texting me? So I wanted to, you know, I wanted to show this person, okay? You want to walk into the date like, listen, we ain't got no games over here, okay? We want to be wifed, okay? What's the purpose of you getting me on this date, okay? What's up with it? This is the I am ready, I am serious secretary skirt. I got this skirt from H&M. You welcome. It's not in Paris. It's everywhere in the world. You could also, it's in the local area near you. I got this skirt from H&M. I love the fact that it's like a pretty nice fitted skirt, as you guys can tell in the video. I like how buttoned up the skirt is, and it's not too tight and it's not too loose. It's just right. It's just right. For the skirt, a lot of people worry about skirts like this because they don't know how to match them. For me, I'm very big on throwing on whatever. Fashion is not about finding the exact color and matching it on your outfits. It's about finding something that will bring out the outfit. So with me, I found a nice striped green shirt that will make this entire look pop up. And it was this nice shirt that I got from a store called Pull&Bear. Sadly, it was a skirt store in Europe, again in Paris. But I will leave the link down below if you didn't catch on to that, where you can purchase this outfit. This shirt is from the Pull&Bear in Paris that I got. Actually, I got this in Nice. And this is actually a guy's shirt. I'm very big on like mixing my closet. I don't like to stick to one category. I go everywhere. As a casual outfit, for me, when I think casual, I don't think going all out. You know, you want to be simple, but you want to be seen. I added on a nice flat looking tennis shoes, okay? I'm one Puerto Caca, eh? You don't see a lot of this in America, okay? People who wear skirts with tennis shoes, it's like you're going crazy, okay? You go crazy. Ici, on voit pas beaucoup de ça, mais si t'es pas en Europe, hey, Puerto Caca boy, okay? Caca boy. So with the skirt, I added them with these nice pair of black shoes that I got from Target. I outwore these shoes, okay? These are my favorite shoes. I bought these shoes a couple months ago and I wore them when I was in Europe, and let me tell you, these shoes go with just about anything, okay? Anything. You go with a skirt, a dress, pants, dress-up pants, jeans, anything. And I feel like they brought my outfit out really well. It makes it look really nice. Like if you wear the she's ready, you know, tell me what's good before you continue on with the second date, before I even order my meal. That's a she ready right there. Don't play with me because I got tennis shoes on. That's a she ready look. Like, come on now. Like, what you want? What you want from me? That's a she ready look. What you want from me? The outfit looks cute. The outfit looks cute. Moi Puerto Caca. Moi Puerto Caca. Huh? The outfit looks cute. I know you guys like the outfit. I will leave the details down below. My last but not least outfit, because I tried this on so many times, I didn't even wear this out. And I got makeup all over it. This is so sad. This is so sad. So sad. I got this shirt from a company called Pick Me, I think it's Pick Me. I'll leave the link down below. You guys probably seen the shirt in my lookbook, and if you haven't browsed on my channel, what are you waiting on? For bad then, Poli, huh? Why are you disrespectful? Go on my channel and check out my videos, okay? I have a good personality and I have good content. If you haven't seen my videos, but if you have, you've seen this in my lookbook. I paired this shirt up with a skirt in my lookbook, but this time around I was like, listen, we're going casual, okay? But we want to show that, listen, I got potentials. Just like you got me out the house, I got potentials. I could change your life. You know, I give you life, you know? Yeah, so I paired this shirt with my Fashion Nova jeans, my nice blue jeans. The shirt is so beautiful when it's tucked in. You can wear it tucked in. I prefer it tucked in because it's kind of a little bit baggy. I just like it tucked in. And I paired it with my nice Fashion Nova high waist jeans. I didn't get this out of sale. Actually, I did get this during the sale. I I get everything when it's on sale when it comes to Fashion Nova, because sometimes they be bugging. They be bugging sometimes. And I pair this right here with a nude heels. Once again, fashion is not about going the exact color trying to match. It's about standing out. With me, I like my outfits to stand out. Whether it's over top, whether it's just simple, I like everything to stand out. But for me to stand out, I have to add accessories to everything that I wear. I will leave the link where I got everything from. If you guys like this video, and you like my hair, you like this makeup, you like this shirt, you like everything about fashion, you know I can give you life. You know, I can give you life. Cette semaine, on va saper comme jamais. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. If you like the outfits, I'll be sure to leave everything that I listed on here or showed on here, on here, on here, on here, on here, down below in the description bar. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.